Hey guys, welcome back to another video about my 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo. I got this Jeep on Craigslist for $2,246. So I've only owned this Jeep for a day and a half now. So basically what I need to do is get it ready to go get smogged. Since I just bought it, I'm gonna be changing the oil, I'm gonna change the coolant, I'm gonna check all the other fluids, transmission fluid, power steering fluid, and basically just in general get the car detailed, looking good. So I'm actually really excited to get going on this. So that way I can drive it down, get it smogged because the previous owner didn't, and then go get it registered. Tags have been paid, but I need to insure it and get the sticker so then it can get on the road. And so that's what we're doing today. So far so good. I'm thinking I'm gonna get the oil changed first and then we'll deal with coolant. That's my main concern. Coolant was already okay, but I just wanted to clean it out. But the oil really does need to be changed, so let's do that. I'd also like to take this time to give a shout out to my sponsor, War of Clans. You can download the app, you get 2 extra coins if you click the link below. Well, the hydraulic lifts on this hood, they're pretty shot. It's an older car and I don't think they were ever replaced. So I'm using this sketchy piece of pipe that the guy gave me. I don't have a tripod that reaches this high, but unless you're dumb, you've changed your oil before in your car, and if you haven't, I'm just gonna tell you where things are for the Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 2004. This is the inline 6 model, so this is what it will all look like. Let me just give you a little scan. Okay, look, that's what it looks like. And you got your oil filter right there, pretty self-explanatory. Of course, you have your oil dipstick here, you have your transmission fluid dipstick there, and then you have your coolant reservoir here, and then you have your coolant filler cap here, and there's also a drain plug on the bottom right down there for the coolant, and that's what we'll be using today as well, hopefully today. Oh, and the drain plug, unless you're dumb, is right up there, and you just pull it out and drain the oil into there. I'm just kidding, I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings here, but if you own a Jeep, you're probably not an idiot. So whoever designed this drain plug was not the brightest. It's right after the catalytic converter. What the frick? And it's like literally 2 inches of space. So all you can use is a wrench, just a regular wrench. You can't even use one of these, man. And why do you even make the bolt like that then? Yeah, I don't know why you design it like that. It just pours right onto the exhaust pipe. Yeah, that's stupid, man. Whoever designed that was a retard. So I know it's pretty much nigh impossible to see what I'm doing right now, but I just have this oil filter grab deal here, and so I'm just grabbing the filter and I'm just taking it right out. It's actually making it pretty easy. Okay, so let's go point of view style. There's coolant draining freaking everywhere right now. That's just how it happens. I'm actually gonna remove the whole drain plug. See if I can do this without getting too much coolant all over the camera and stuff. Oh, the mucker, dude. Oh. All right, but that's what it looks like when the coolant drain plug is shooting coolant everywhere. I should probably go wash my face off. Alright guys, so we got the engine oil changed, we got the coolant changed, levels on all the fluids are looking good. I got the interior cleaned a little bit, haven't done the floor wells yet, I need to vacuum all that stuff out. But it's looking good, it's looking good. I also got 2 hood lifts, so we're gonna put these on the hood so we don't have to use that sketchy stick anymore. So let's do it, let's get to this. Yeah, it can go out of here. Yep. Now with these hood lifts installed, I can be the guy that goes, yeah, you know, let's check out the engine, yeah? Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah. Hey, how was that? Was that pretty good? Let me know in the comments below. 1 to 10. Rate it 1 to 10. Comments below. Make sure to subscribe. It's right down there. Like this video too. And then comment below on your keypad down below. Looking back on just this episode, like what we did, cleaned it up, got some lights put in, just general touch-ups and stuff, I cannot believe I got this thing for $2,246. It's insane. Like, that's a steal. Like, I couldn't have dreamt for a better deal than I got, and that was just the first night of searching on Craigslist. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap it there. Make sure to subscribe if you're new here and you want to keep following along with the Jeep build, and that's pretty much it. Make sure to smash all the buttons, and I'll see you guys in the next video.